Ever wondered why you've tried picking up new routines, but your brain fights it? Your brain doesn't resist change because you're weak. It resists change because it's trying to keep you alive. Your brain evolved for survival, not self-improvement. Anything unfamiliar costs energy and creates uncertainty. And to the brain, uncertainty equals danger. That's why healthy changes feel uncomfortable. Eating better, starting exercise, sleeping earlier, reducing sugar and ending unhealthy habits. All of these are interpreted as threats, not upgrades. From a biological standpoint, your brain prefers a familiar struggle over an unfamiliar improvement. Take diet change as an example. When someone switches from high sugar, high carb meals to balanced meals, the brain reacts with cravings, fatigue and irritability. Not because the new diet is harmful, but because the brain is losing a predictable dopamine source. This same resistance shows up when trying to quit late nights, starting physical activity, managing stress, or changing routine. The brain's message is simple: go back to what we know. Chronic resistance to change keeps people stuck in insulin resistance, poor sleep cycles, stress-driven habits, emotional eating and poor habits in life generally, not because they don't know better, but because their brain hasn't been taught safety in change. The solution? You don't force the brain to change, you train it. Here's how to. First, shrink the change. Big changes trigger threat, small ones feel safe. Instead of jumping into a 1-hour workout, start with a daily 5 minutes walk and gradually increase your workout program. This way your brain won't get triggered and resist. Second, attach familiarity. Keep something constant while changing one thing. For example, maintain same breakfast time, switch to better food. Third, repeat before expanding. The brain accepts repeats. Repetition turns effort into automation. And lastly, lower cognitive load. Fewer decisions reduce resistance. For example, having a food timetable will help you make a food switch easier than when you have to decide what to make at every meal time. Plan once, execute daily. Change becomes easier when the brain learns it's safe. And safety is built through consistency, not force. Want to understand your mind and body better? Subscribe to Neurokind and turn on notifications so you never miss insights that help you think better, feel better, and live healthier.